Are you a surgeon who has your hands full on a daily basis with very important work and rarely gets the time to sit behind a desk to deal with all of the necessary administration that comes along with it? Are you in need of a solution? Look no further. With the innovative GoodX Theater app, you can access your theater lists and clinical notes directly from your phone or tablet. Debtors previously added to your GoodX web app will also automatically sync with your theater app, saving you time when linking a patient to an operation. Want to quickly and easily save new patients to your GoodX diary? The theater app does that for you automatically. Say goodbye to the boring admin once and for all. You can even access and review important forms such as patient questionnaires directly within the app, reducing clutter and enhancing efficiency. Even billing becomes a breeze with the easy-to-use checklist and BMI calculator, which automatically adds the necessary modifiers to your billing summary, as well as pulls through those lines for your updated operation estimate. At GoodX, you can be rest assured that privacy and security are of the utmost importance, which is why all information is not only POPI Act compliant, but also stored on ISO 27001 certified servers, leaving you covered. Enjoy the convenience of a theater list in your pocket today. GoodX, empowering surgeons to thrive in the digital age.